Morning friends, Russell here coming to you from the shop. On the docket today, we've got a 2009 BMW and we have to replace the right side tail light. This has got the LED tail lights in it, and some of the LEDs have started to go bad, so we've got to replace it, and let's get started. So it's easy enough to get to the panel. You pull the battery cover off, and then there's three 8mm nuts. Disconnect the electrical connector and pull the 8mm nuts, and it'll come right out. So I'm gonna get started on this. Really? Ta-da! And installation is easy enough. Like I said, the LEDs in these have a tendency to go bad, especially if it's been replaced by a non-OEM unit due to a wreck or something, which I suspect, yep, this one has. You can see this got the genuine BMW sticker on it. So, just slips right in. Da, da, da. Yep, slips right in, and then you just put the nuts right back on. If my headlight would stay on. plug it back up. That's all there is to it. So just so you can see how this goes together. So these are for the actual brake lights are incandescent. The parking lamps and turn signals are the LED portion, but the brake lamps themselves are incandescent. And that's the housing that holds it. So to release this housing, you release that tab there, pull that tab, and it'll come out. So, easy enough. Hey, as you can see, problem solved. Flash is consistent now, and our dash indication's gone away. So, good, simple, easy repair, can be done at home. You just have to order the part. Simple enough job. That should fix the problems we had. The turn signals on it were flickering. They weren't consistent. This thing gives a dash indication that there's a problem with the lighting. Unfortunately, the OE part is not inexpensive or a cheap part. It's quite expensive because of the LEDs integrated into it. But the choices are slim to none. I could have gotten a lot cheaper part off Amazon or eBay, but I've found that when dealing with the LED lightings in a BMW, that it's hit or miss whether it's going to fix the problem. It may continue to light up and work, but then I still get the dash indications that we've got bad lighting. And since I'm trying to sell low mileage, good example vehicles, I don't want that. So I always try and use the OE part. If you like this content, go ahead and hit like, hit subscribe, hit that bell icon for future notifications. And as always, there's more to follow.